All right, hi everybody. We're going to use a little bit of calculus today to find the equations of the tangent lines to this function right here. This g of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 7 at the points 0, 7 and 6, 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a fairly generic form of the equation of a line. I'm going to start here with the point slope form of the equation of a line. So I'm going to start with this equation right here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where the point x1 comma y1 is a point on the graph, and m is just going to be our slope. Okay? And from here, I can convert this into slope-intercept form if I want, or I can convert this into the general form or standard form, whatever you want to call it, the ax plus by plus c equals 0 form. But this is where I'm going to start here. Now, I've already got 2 points. Okay, so I've already got the x1 and the y1 for the two tangent lines. What I don't have is the slope. Okay, so what I got to do here is I'm going to take the derivative of this function with respect to x, and that will be my slope function. And then I'll use these 2 points here to help me evaluate just the exact value of the slope at those points. So now, g of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 7, which means the slope of my tangent is going to be g primed of x, okay, or dg by dx here. And because of the sum and difference rules here, I'm going to take the derivative of each of these terms separately. The derivative of x squared will simply be 2x. The derivative of negative 7x will be negative 7. And the derivative of 7 all by its lonesome there is just going to be 0. So our derivative is going to be 2x minus 7. Now what I'm going to do here is evaluate at the derivative at the independent variable here, the x. Now, notice that my derivative in this particular case does not depend on the y-coordinate of the point, only the x-coordinate. So, g primed at 0 will just be 2 times 0 minus 7, or negative 7. So that means the equation of the tangent line at this point right here, okay, is going to be, first of all, y minus 7 will equal negative 7, the slope, times x minus 0. And now I can simplify that, okay? In fact, it probably makes sense for me to go x minus 0 is just x, and then bring that 7 over and write this into slope-intercept form. Or sorry, no, that's right, slope-intercept form is what I meant. And then bring the 7 over and add 7. So there's our first tangent line. Our second tangent line is going to be where x is equal to 6. So I plug that in at 2 times 6 minus 7. Well, 12 minus 7 is 5. And so my slope is going to be 5 here. So my equation in point slope form will be y minus 1 is going to equal 5 times x minus 6. And then you can put this in whatever form you need to finish this question. But that's how you do it. Remember, the derivative is the slope. If you need to find it at a specific point, then you just enter in the values of the variables that it's written in terms of.